Hello everybody, welcome to the Raw Life Health Show, and I've been eating a raw vegan diet for many years. When I first started doing this, I lived in New York City, and it wasn't as easy to get fresh, locally grown food. So being in New York, everyone shipped food to New York, so I could always get fruits and vegetables, but not locally. Now I moved to where the food is, and I'm growing my own food. I live in South Florida, and I have many fruit trees, and I grow my own fruit, so it's much easier. But there are a lot of people that are eating a healthy diet, eating a raw food diet, and some people are just eating a lot of fruits and vegetables. And if you like a situation where I was in where I couldn't get fresh food, and you want to get fresh food, because if you're really interested in your health, you should be getting your fresh food. And locally grown is the best, but if you're living in a colder environment or living somewhere where the food's not growing, it's not as easy to do that. Well, I have found several different places online that are here in South Florida that ship the food to you. So it's locally grown here, but it might not be local to where you are, but it's a whole better situation because you're getting the food directly from the farm. I've personally visited these farms. They're wonderful, and I definitely recommend people order their food from these farms. So if you're a raw foodist, these are 3 websites you must copy down and check them out. I'll put the links below the video. The first one is called Lara Farms. It's Lara Farms Miami. LaraFarmsMiami.com. And Julian, who's the owner of Lara Farms, has what I would consider just an amazing variety of different tropical fruits that he's grown. It's a family business. They've been there a long time. One of the things he specializes in is something called mamey or mamey sapote. And I'm about to just receive a big box because he's about an hour from here of mameys right now that are in season, and I'm going to do some tasting videos with those. I have a fruit tree channel where I grow fruit trees, and I've learned a lot from Julian at Lara Farms, and he sells fruit trees. It's a wonderful place, but he also gets abundance of fruit off his fruit trees that he offers through the mail. So when things are in season, I'll usually make a video about it and let you know, but you can always get stuff in season. So the first place, and this is in no particular order, this is if you're a raw foodist or a vegan and you want to get some really good, I can't say locally grown, it's not locally to you, but really good food right from the farm. One place I definitely recommend is LaraFarmsMiami.com. Specializing in a fruit called mamey, which a lot of people don't even know about, but you want to because it's amazing. When I got a property here, one of the first things I wanted to plant was a mamey tree, and I'm so excited I have several. Now, another place is called Sleepy Lizard Avocado Farm. Their website is guacfarm.com, and they have a bunch of different varieties of avocados. And you can get avocados at Lara Farms, and you can get avocados at the other place I'm going to mention here. But this is specifically an avocado farm, and they sent me a box here in the mail of different varieties of avocados. And most people don't know that there's a big different varieties of avocados. This is called a Monroe avocado, and there's different seasons of avocados, and it's so great. And this one's called a whole avocado. So some of these I've tasted, and some of them I have not tasted yet. So I'm looking forward to tasting this one. And some avocados taste similar, but some are very different. So avocados are something that is a staple if you're living on a raw food diet or a vegan diet. It's very delicious, and you can't always get a good one from the store. When you order from an avocado farm, you're getting good avocados. So you can look up online to learn more about these particular varieties, and in different seasons they have different varieties, but the prices are wonderful there as well. They're very comparable to the store's prices for avocados, and you're getting such a better quality avocado. They also sell shirts and I believe hats, and they have these cool stickers, Sleepy Lizard Avocado Farm. And I've made many videos there on my fruit tree channel. I love them and what they're doing there. So you can order a box of avocados from them, and that's really cool. Now, I've been around in a raw vegan diet for a very long time and been to some of the raw food festivals, and they're not always in the warmest places, but they have a bunch of fruit. It's like, how do you have all this fruit that's not grown here? Well, there's a company called Miami Fruit, and Miamifruit.com is another website, and they ship fruit all around the world. I've been there and I interviewed them for my fruit tree channel. I give them 2 thumbs up. They're wonderful. So they just sent me a box of fruit here for a local class I'm doing, and I got some of this exotic fruit from them. They have just an amazing selection. Their website is so informative with what's in season and what's not, and things you can order. Everyone who's eating a raw food diet or a vegan diet should check them out to try these new fruits. But I'm going to open this up here and show you. They pack it in their own box. They got their own cool tape, and on their tape they have mamey, and they have all these dragon fruits and all these different things. So you can get a box from them and see what they got here. Let's see. So I'm going to put all the websites to these places. So they have this little cool pamphlet that they give you, and another sticker. Oh wow, a durian sticker. All right, that's really cool. And they talk about their fruit and stuff. This is really cool. And they got another Miami fruit sticker. Wow, look at that. That is cacao. That's chocolate, and it is really amazing. And most people don't know about chocolate, but a lot of people eat the seeds, which are the grind down the seeds. That's where they get the fudge from. But chocolate is actually a fruit, so we'll be looking at more of that fruit. So that's really cool that they have that in there. Let's see what else they have here. This is packed really, really well. We might have to go into this side. So these are 3 places I'm definitely recommending people go to get your fruit online. That's cool. Let's see what they got here. Let's see. Wow. Wow, there's not even a name of these. Let's see. Wow. Let's try one of these. Those are really cool fruit. Very cool. So then they have another sticker. Great. So that is cool. So those are really, really nice. So you got, they all ship the same. They have avocados at Miami Fruit. The Avocado Farm might have some mangoes to ship to you. So they all ship fruit. And as for variety, you got to check them all out. I think just if I'm going to give a review of this and let you know, I think Miami Fruit has the best variety to ship fruit to people that's in season, because they doesn't come from their farm. They go to the other farms locally, and sometimes they'll get fruit from them as well. So I think the avocado farm at Sleepy Lizard Avocado Farm, you're getting avocados, and I do think they have, like I said, their prices are comparable to the store. It's just a great deal all around. And Lara Farms, I'm friends with Julian. I know him there, and I go there a lot to buy my fruit trees. And he just knows, his knowledge about the fruit is amazing. So you call him up and tell him, look, I'm looking for this, or explain these different fruits to me. You're going to get more education than you ever imagined. He's just, his website is amazing, and I like it. The fruit is what's in season right from him. It's really wonderful. Like Miami Fruit's really cool because you can get, they even have durian on their website. They don't grow durian in South Florida, but like I said, they specialize in finding wonderful fruit to ship to people through the mail. I'm so glad their service is there. Julian at Lara Farms, his place is amazing because he's growing the fruit. It's a family business, been there a long time, and he'll get the fruit out to you. And then my friend Tom here at the Sleepy Lizard Avocado Farm, he has a great knowledge about avocados, great prices. I love all these places, and I'm telling you, if you are a raw vegan diet, every single one of these places, if I was living in a place where I couldn't get this regularly, I'd be ordering from these places every month. I'd be ordering from all 3 of these places. So I'm really excited to check all these things out and try it out. Get my maize, avocados, and cacao and all this. It's really, really wild. All right. Put your comments and questions below, everybody. Thank you for watching. Thank you to Miami Fruit, Sleepy Lizard Avocado Farm, and Lara Farms. And there are other farms out there. There are even more farms out there. Do your research and find out what farms are selling food and who ships, because they don't all ship. And try to go contact local nurseries here in South Florida. Ask them what they do with the extra food. Wherever you see the food, if you go to local markets and you see it, however you can, find ways to get more fresh fruits and vegetables in your body is better. I'm so excited. I got the 3rd box and the 4th box. These boxes from Lara Farms, and I'm telling you, anyone who's looking to taste new foods, or if you're on a raw vegan diet and you want to just eat healthy, you want to contact these places and order them through the mail. This is the best. So I'm so excited about this. Mamey is one of my favorite foods, and even though they sell it here locally in Florida, it's just not the same, because Julian at Lara Farms knows how to pick them, grows them, and so beautiful. This fruit, these different varieties of this fruit. Wow, look at that. This is a mamey sapote. Absolutely delicious. And the box is loaded here with a bunch of these mamey sapote fruits. Wow. So beautiful, so beautiful. And so there's a bunch of mamey fruits here, and let's see what else. We got a 2nd box here from him, because like the other place I mentioned in the video, he has a great selection of different varieties of fruits. And I spent a lot of time at Lara Farms. I just love this place. He also sells dried fruit. So again, if you're on a raw vegan diet, this is the place. Let's see what's in here. I just love opening these things up. Let's see. Let's see. All right, this is star fruit. Carambola star fruit. I think we got a whole box of star fruit here. These are big star fruits. Wow. Check those out. All right, so this one is from Lara Farms and LaraFarmsMiami.com. I'll put the website to all 3 of these places below the video. Thank you so much, everybody, and contact these places and have a great day and a great raw life.
Nature's wealth, good for your health. This is the Raw Life Health Show. Raw Life, brighten up your life.